Here are the 5 best Vornado fan. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Vornado OSCR37 Oscillating Tower. In our experience, tower fans around 35-inch are the most popular style, and tend to provide the most bang for your buck as well. Our top pick from Vornado is the OSCR37, a true tower fan with plenty of settings and an ample amount of power. This tower fan is one of the larger models on our list at 36.7-inch tall and 12 wide. It's not heavy at 10 pounds, and there is a handle in the back if you need to tote it from one room to the next. There aren't many controls on chrome-accented beauty aside from a few buttons on the top. You can access the functions on this fan from a series of touch-sensitive buttons or a remote. Number 2. Vornado NGT 425 Air Circulator Tower. Most tower fans fall into 2 categories, powerful or quiet. Occasionally, manufacturers will introduce a product that strikes the right balance between those 2 features, and that's what Vornado accomplished with the NGT 425 VersaFlow Tower Fan. With an airflow rating of 604 on high, this fan is the most powerful model on our list. It produces over 300 CFM on low as well, so it's not lacking in the power department. The company managed to keep the noise levels down, however, which makes the Vornado NGT 425 an excellent choice for large areas like family rooms. Number 3. Vornado NGT 33 DC Energy Smart Tower. One of the things about using a unique technology is that it tends to have an impact on the design of a product. While you'll find that most of Vornado's tower fans have a similar style, you might be surprised to find out what lies under the hood of the efficient NGT 33 DC. The motor is the heart of any tower fan, and this one has a brushless DC motor. That makes it up to 80% more efficient than traditional models, and it has plenty of power to boot. Number 4. Vornado Duo Small Room Tower Air Circulator. While most tower fans are in the 30 to 40-inch range, there is a small niche geared towards consumers that need something smaller that can still cool down a small room. Of these mini tower fans, Vornado has one of the best on the market with the Duo Small Room Air Circulator. At only 14.5-inch tall and a little over 5 wide, the Vornado FA10062006 certainly won't take up much space. It weighs 3.7 pounds and has a modern design that utilizes the company's V-Flow technology. The Duo Tower is simple to control with only one button and lives up to its namesake with an interesting design. Number 5. Vornado 143 Whole Room Air Circulator Tower. Most of Vornado's fans are a bit more expensive than models from other brands, but there are a few exceptions in their catalog. The Vornado 143 is one of them, as it won't break the bank but still provides enough airflow for a small to medium-sized room. The fan has the same basic design, but with a few minor cosmetic differences on the top where the controls are found. Like the rest of their lineup, this fan was engineered with ease of use in mind with no display and only a series of simple buttons. It's compact but can still crank out around 263 CFMs on the highest setting.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.